Hey everyone, so let's see this question 47. इसमें क्या है? इसमें हमको तीन सेट दिए हुए हैं. सेट ए जिसमें दो एलिमेंट्स हैं, दो स्ट्रिंग हैं, दिस एंड दैट. देन सेट बी जिसमें दो स्ट्रिंग है, दैट एंड अदर. एंड देन सेट सी which has also two strings, other and this. After this हमको एक while loop दी हुई है जो रन होगी जब तक this string other is in the set C. ओके, एंड उसके बाद दो if conditions हैं, and then we have to do some operations on these three sets A, B and C. So let's do this. So we'll start with running the loop while other in C. So we can see that यहाँ पे other जो है वो C में है, तो हम continue करेंगे. फिर हम इस if पे आएंगे and we'll check if this in A. So yes, this अभी है A के अंदर, so we'll do this operation, this one. Okay, so now क्या कह रहा है ये, that इसको हम ब्रेक डाउन करके लिख सकते हैं that a is equal to a minus b, b is equal to b minus c and c is equal to c minus a. Okay, so I'll write these here. So a will become a minus b. So a minus b is a set difference operation which will give us only this. I assume what set operation does you already know. And same for b, b will be b minus c, that will give us only that. And same for c, c will give us c minus a, that is only other. Okay, so this is our current values after this first if, this if. Okay, then we'll check on this second if, which is saying that if that in b. So we'll check here, and this that is still in the set b. So we'll also implement whatever is given in this second if, which is written here. Okay, so I'll just remove this, and जो भी यहाँ पे लिखा है मैं इसको यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ, that is a is equal to c union a, b is equal to a union b and c is equal to b union c. Okay, and these are the current values here, these are the current values of abc. ठीक है, so let's do this. So a will be c union a, so that is other and this. So this will be this comma other, and b will be a union b, that is this and that. I'll use another color, this and that. And c will be b union c, and that will be that comma other. Okay, so we have finished one loop of this while iteration. Now again this while loop will run, because still this other is in the set C. Okay, so again this while loop will run, and again we'll do this first operation, this first if. We'll check if this in A. So we can see here that this is still in the set A. So we'll do again these operations. Okay, the set difference operations. So A will be C, A will be A minus B. So this is our current A, and this is our current B, and this is our current C. So all the operations we'll do in these three ABC. So A is A minus B. So that will give us other. B is B minus C, that will give us this, and C is C minus A, that will give us that. Okay, so we have done with this if. Now we'll go for this if, which is saying if that in B. So now these are our current ABC, and it is saying that check if that in B. So as we can see, only this is in set B, not that. So we won't go in this if condition. And when we come back to this loop, and it will check if other is in the set C, and we'll see that no, other is in not set C. So this while loop will terminate, and these three values ABC, these three values we'll get. So what is the question saying? When the above program is executed, at the end, which of the following set contains this? So as you can see here, the set B contains this. So the correct answer will be only B. Thank you.